A VoiceThread is a media player that has a highly interactive discussion space built right within it. Teachers or students upload pictures, videos, presentations, or documents into this online collection that looks and feels like a slideshow, but it's what comes next that's most important. After the media is added, teachers and students will record comments about it, presenting their work, asking questions and answering them, critiquing each other's ideas, and engaging in an ongoing conversation. The skills that students will develop using VoiceThread are exactly the skills now widely accepted as critical to successful learning, working, and frankly, just plain living in the 21st century. One of the least known and most interesting facts about VoiceThread is its diversity of uses, from recording kindergartners' narrative storytelling all the way through postgraduate studies in business and medical schools. It's the very same tool used in hundreds of different ways to great effect. So after taking a look at this video, head on over to voicethread.com/research to see all the third-party research that's being conducted on VoiceThread's impact on teaching and learning.